Get ready. Start. According to the procedure and criteria laid down in the aforesaid references for adjudging the suitability of an employee in terms of Rule 3 of the Punjab CSR Volume 1 for retention in service beyond the age of 55 years. The cases of board's employees who are due to attain the age of 55 years are required to be carefully examined by the appointing authority 6 months from the date on which the employee concerned is due to attain the age of 55 years. Full stop. If the appointing authority has reasonable cause to believe that the employee is lacking in integrity or his physical or mental condition is such as to make him inefficient for further service, he may be retired premature by giving him notice for the prescribed period. Full stop. Further, according to these instructions, if an employee is assessed as an average on the whole, he is to be retained in service, adjudging the suitability in relation to his substantive grade and the officiating grade. If such an employee is found not good enough for the officiating grade, he is to be reverted to the substantive grade but has to be retained in service. Full stop. Next para. Since the decision in the matter rests with the respective appointing authorities, it is felt that they might be applying different standards. Full stop. The matter has accordingly been considered by the Punjab State Electricity Board in its recent meeting, and with a view to observing uniformity in dealing with each such case, it has been decided that the instructions as referred to above may continue to be followed, except that while evaluating the suitability of a person for retention in service beyond the age of 55 years instead of average performance as provided in the existing extant instructions, a person with performance above average, full stop, should only be retained beyond the age of 55 years, full stop. Next para. The instructions referred to above further provide that when the appointing authority has reasonable cause to believe that a government employee is lacking in integrity, it would be appropriate to consider him for premature retirement irrespective of the assessment of his ability or efficiency in work. Full stop. It is clarified that even a single adverse remark on the integrity of a government employee should be sufficient for retiring him prematurely on attaining the age of 55 years. Full stop. Please acknowledge receipt of this letter. Stop.